These are the vegetables I'm going to juice and combine with the wheatgrass. If you can see those tiny white tips on the end of the seed, that needs to grow a little more over the next 2 days. You see, the lighter green is a cactus plant, which is an anti-inflammatory, and aloe vera plant, the live vera leaf. And that darker green, that is spinach that I accidentally let freeze. And you know, when lettuce and leafy greens unfreeze, they're kind of soft and icky. So, I mean, those are perfect for juicing. If you see here, I didn't want all of the water from the cucumbers in my juice. So I peeled like 6 of them and just put maybe 3 cucumbers in there. It would have been a lot. Cucumber has a lot of water. What I want is the green, the chlorophyll. And of course, this is the parsley and the kale that I'm going to chop up first because I don't have a proper single auger juicer except for my hand crank meat grinder. These are the other vegetables. I like to chop mine up. Grapefruit, kiwi, ginger, lemon, all of that. Next is the celery. Don't forget the carrot.